This is the leading edge of what was a tropical storm. Where'd that come from? Well, we talked about it last night. Last night, even the National Hurricane Center was saying about a 30% chance that that area of low pressure turns into a tropical storm. Well, this morning some readings were taken and they got a sustained wind of 50 miles per hour. Okay, it's a tropical storm. Then it moved onshore immediately. So now you're dealing with an area of low pressure. It's making a lot of rain. It's tapped into the Atlantic. Big rain maker. This thing is zooming through. So we'll see a big chunk of rain. Wind gusts 20, 25 miles per hour and gone. And then we'll start to watch out here for other areas of low pressure. They'll start to move in. So that's kind of the thumbnail sketch. Here are the current watches. Not officially in our area, but we may have more added in, and it would not be surprising if we had a couple of spots. Let's go maybe again in Fayette County, maybe in Nicholas County. We might have some issues in terms of some high water in spots. All right, well, the winds currently are 30 miles per hour. There it is. Had briefly been called the letter B storm. We had the A storm and then the letter B. This year was named Bertha, and now it's Tropical Depression Bertha, and it'll just be the remnants of Bertha starting here probably in the next advisory. But it has a wind of 30 miles per hour, and the area of low pressure that will be the remnants coming up and into our area, anywhere within that zone, and zipping right on by, talking about some winds 25 miles per hour. The current winds are about 13, 15 miles per hour around Charleston, around Madison, and it's a lot lower out to the west. There's going to be a few of us that pick up no wind at all from this, no rain at all from this. But watch, this is 7 o'clock tonight. The wind field, not Winfield, West Virginia, but the wind field starts to move at us here from the south and starts to spread in. Those southeasterly breezes could have a gust right around 12:30 here of about 25-30 miles per hour. Then the heavy wind is over by Webster Springs, and the rest of us by about 5 in the morning the wind is done, and then it moves away. So let's watch predictor. Light rain by about 11 o'clock. Heavy rain now is up to Oak Hill, and it rolls on up to Charleston, gets to just about maybe the Putnam County line here with Cabell County. And this is about 1:30 in the morning, and it continues on up to the north. So still 4 or 5. Now we're even into southeastern Ohio. It looks like Ashland and West, we're not even really in the game. And then by 6, most of it's gone. In the afternoon, there are just a few pop-up showers and storms. Completely different situation, just summertime pop-ups. A lot of us don't even see those.